Hey, what's up, guys? This side Chirag Agarwal, and today I am going to share that how you can create your own ebook with attractive templates and attractive design. Many of you have asked me on Instagram that how we can create our ebook and how we can create our book so that we can share it on any other platform. So here we have a platform that is canva.com, and canva.com is one of the best free source that help you to create your Instagram profile, Instagram presentation, Instagram post, story, Facebook, anything, right? So it will help you to design your ebook as well as. So here you can write simply as US letter document, and here you can select blank. So here we get many different templates, and you can select any one from these all that you like the best for your ebook niche. All right, but I will recommend you to choose a template that have minimum 2 or 3 pages, right? And they are completely free, and many of them are premium ones, right? Please wait. Here we have, right? So like this application, there we have 2 pages. Here we have 2 pages, right? So हम शुरू करते हैं इसके साथ. Let's begin with this. Here we have 5 pages, right? So here we have the first page of your ebook, right? So you can design it according to your title that you have. For example, if I have a title that Instagram marketing, then I can write here Instagram, right? You can minimize the text according to your template size, right? Instagram, and here you can edit it completely by your choice. Here we have a image background image. If you want to uh, change the image, you can completely change it by using the photos. You have a section here of photos where you can change the photograph behind the background, right? So right, so here we have a photograph that we can use. Make sure it must be free, otherwise you have to pay for it, right? So you can see here we have changed the background image, and if you want to change this image, then you can also repeat the same thing. Just select any picture that you want to choose for your template. Here we can use this, right? If you want to change the color of this picture, you can simply go to adjustment and go to saturation, and here it's going to change, right? So it is very easy, and here you can write your subtitle or anything like your name or Instagram tools, right? So it is all up to you that you can change or create your ebook front page according to your wish, according to your creativity, right? Now we have to add a new page here. Okay, so let's go back to templates, and here you can choose this page, content, right? So here you can change the name here, like your title, Instagram tools. You can completely optimize all the things according to your wish. You can change the color of this, right? So it is very easy. You can change the pictures here. If you want to change the pictures, you can completely change the pictures by going here. If you want to add your own pictures, you can go to you can go to upload, and you can simply upload any image or video from here. And like here I have a photograph of mine, and I want to add this. You just add it here, right? Here you want to change it, you can change it by using this image, right? So it is very easy to use, and it will not take your much time. Right, so you can change all the things according to your niche, according to your storyline that you want to add. And here you can add your content one by one, and it will work according to you. If you want to change the background color, then you can simply click here, background, and go here, and you can change the background, right? So it is very easy. It is all up to you that how you want to design your ebook, right? So here the second page is complete, and right now after that you can add another page, and you have to go back to template and add the third page. Here you can show your first chapter, or what you want to express in your story, or the material that you want to give to your followers, to your audience. So you can simply do it here by uh, adding your content and adding the picture. And here you can change the color if you want to change, right? And it is very easy, and it will give you very more things to add, and it will save your time. And after that you can add one more picture, right, if you have more content. And here you can add your picture, or you can add your content according to it. In the end, there you can close up your PDF by giving more and more content. And I am like, here you have this thing. So if you want to add something here, and it is very easy. Here you can write down your name, Chirag Agarwal, right? So it is very easy to create an ebook by using canva.com. The thing is, you have a content for it. First of all, write down all the content, and according to, and one by one you can add, choose the template, and after that design your ebook, right? So it is very easy, right? If you have a ebook of more than 10 pages, then don't worry, you can simply add a new page, and you can add more content here, right? So it will not take your much time, but you have a content before creating an ebook, right? First of all, write down all the content that you want to add in your ebook, and after that just visit canva.com, and here you are going to get multiple templates that are completely free to use. And after that, once you're done with your ebook, then go to publish, and here you can go to download. Here it is asking to you file type, right? So it is suggested to download in PDF print, that is high quality multi-page document, right? And here it is showing that you have 4 pages, right? So click on all the 4 pages and done, and click on download. So here we go, your design is going to prepare now, and your ebook is right now going to be come in front of you within 5 to 10 seconds. Yes. Okay, so it is very easy, guys. Here we have a PDF file. Wow. Here we have your front page. Here we have your second page. Here is a third page. And the most beautiful thing of this ebook is here you can zoom it, and the content is not going to be blur, right? So it is all up to you now that how you are using it with your creativity, and it is very easy to use. Just use it daily and create. You can even create other post of your other sources like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and it is very easy to use. I hope that it will help you to understand all the things, right? And I usually create video in Hindi language, but here I have both the people who are not able to understand Hindi, and that's why I created this video in English. If I know my English is not good, but I give my best to add a value in your life so that you can able to create your ebook easily. And I want that every one of you who are interested in writing and you want to write your ebook, then go for it. And it is very easy, and just use it and share with me when you are done with it. Okay.